Hello, good afternoon to all. Hello, good afternoon to all. I am Ramamurthy, Assistant Professor. I welcome. I give welcome address. It is my pleasure to welcome our beloved HOD, Dr. R. Karthikeyan sir, for this workshop about research methodology and intellectual property rights. I welcome our chief guest, resource person, Dr. B. Singaravel, Associate Professor, Vignan Institute of Technology and Sciences, Hyderabad, on behalf of AMET Management and faculties, staff members, research scholars, PG students, and I also welcome our faculty members, staff members, research scholars, industry professionals, and those who are all actively participating in this program. I welcome you all once again. Now, Mr. Krishna Kumar will give you an introduction about our resource person, Dr. P. Singaravel.
Thank you, sir. Dr. B. Singaravel completed his BE Mechanical Engineering from Anna University, Chennai in a year 2005. He received his ME degree in a year 2011 from Anna University, Tiruchirappalli. He received his doctoral degree from National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli in a year 2016. He has a total teaching experience of 11 years and research experience of 3 years. He has published 17 research articles in reputed peer-reviewed international and journals and presented 11 articles in international and national conferences. He had also published 5 textbooks. His core research area is manufacturing and tool design. He has also done 3 funded projects and 2 patents filed. Presently, he is working as an associate professor in a Department of Mechanical Engineering, Vignan Institute of Technology and Science, Hyderabad. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, sir. Shall I share screen, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Is my screen visible, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now it is full mode, full screen mode. It is okay, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Good afternoon to one and all. Myself, Dr. B. Singaravel, Associate Professor, Mechanical Engineering Department, Vignan Institute of Technology and Science, Hyderabad. So before entering to our topic, I thank to AMET University, deemed to be University, Department of Mechanical Engineering, the organizer and the conveners. So the resource person of the 2-day workshop, Research Methodology and IPR. Once again, thank you. So the today topic, how to write a research proposal. So overview of today presentation. So to write research proposal. So what are the things, important things or needs? So title. So good title is required. Some introduction about your proposal and the problem statement, objective of your proposal, literature review, research methodology, plan, budget plan, and team references. These things we are going to discuss elaborately before entering to this particular topic, particular subheadings. I want to convey some introduction before entering to this particular topics, because if suppose doctorate candidate with the fresher or MTech candidate with the experience, so many category are available in our faculty group. So some people recently completed doctorate, or some people completed doctorate and 3, 4, 5 years experience, or some people doing PhD in the part-time PhD, full-time PhD. So many people are there in our category. So here the funded project proposal mostly the doctorate candidates are eligible. Even non-doctorate candidates also eligible. Few cases also available. I will explain one by one. So before entering to our topic, our subject means how to write a research proposal. One thing I want to give some like a reminder or something. You have some problem identification or idea or solution, because in our mechanical, manufacturing stream is there, design stream is there, thermal, so industrial engineering, all the streams are available. Even I am concentrating manufacturing. In manufacturing, one person expert in drilling, one person in turning, another one composite, heat treatment, so many research areas are there. So in this presentation, I am going to give only how to write a proposal, not how to identify a problem. That is in your hand only, because you are expert in refrigeration. You have some problem. You are in design engineering. Sir, am I audible? Okay. No? Okay. So if you have some different stream, so that is the reason idea or problem is in your hand. Then how to write a proposal to one agency. So that is the aim of this presentation. So writing procedure, only we are going to get knowledge in this presentation. So mostly it is suitable for fresher, recently completed doctorate, or going to complete doctorate candidate. It will be really useful, I hope. Okay. Next, suppose one example I am giving. In our home, day-to-life on children days or some days, if asked any money to our parents, immediately what is their response? Why? What is the reason you are asking money? What you are going to spend? This is common question. Without a question, the parents will not give any money. So that is common. It is a day-to-life. We are already have the experience. If suppose one cinema, they are going to cinema, one director having script, is approaching one producer. Sir, am I having script? The script you can ask, then you can ready to spend money or not. Immediately that person will inquire about the screenplay, then everything. It is a day-to-life experience I am telling. After that only that producer will agree, because so many directors or young directors having script, they are not having proper producer to release their story or screenplay with a good message. So many things are available. It will opt or it will be suit for our case also. We have idea, but how to write a proposal, first thing, then where we have to apply, how to get fund. So that is the question. So no one will give money without any reason. That is common word. Simply if a parent asked also, will not give any person also why, where you are going to invest, what is the reason. Similar here also, what is our aim? How to write a research proposal. After writing research proposal, we are sending to one agency. We are going to get some fund. That is the ultimate aim. So without proper reason or without justification of your statement, agency will not give money. So proper reason is required. Means must goal, whatever your goal must be clear. If you are thermal R&D, I am going to do some new refrigeration and air conditioning, means you have to explain what is already existing, what is I am going to propose that is entirely new, or I am going to modification. If done modification, power consumption will be 50% reduced. This kind of word with the proof that is required with the proper explanation. So that kind of words are required, then only we can get some fund. So candidate, if you are going to apply a funded project, then you have to stick your problem. I fixed this problem, definitely it will work. Suppose you assume 2011 or 2012 only WhatsApps are introduced, WhatsApp messages. So you are in 2010. So we are struggled to take to send one photo to one person. Only option we had a email or copied in CD, then send it to another person. We take printout and send by courier or like this only. But nowadays, what is happening? Take within fraction of time, we are taking photo and sending to the WhatsApp or some other social media. So you are in 2010. Imagine now no WhatsApp. You are proposing WhatsApp to me. I am one agency. You are telling, sir, I'm going to create the WhatsApp. Means I'm not given name. So this is the idea. If you take a photo, we can send one person to another person. Is it possible using this coding? Is it possible? You are proposing. Then I have to agree. Okay, this definitely will be useful. Instead of that kind of problem identification must required from candidate side. So another thing, there is a more competition. If you are sending one proposal to one agency, not only your application, all over India, so applications are coming to one agency. So they will hand over to an expert. They will read one by one. Then they will scrutinize. They will segregate. Then only it will be selected. So many parameters are there. So after that, sponsor. So I am having some idea. So who are the sponsor? That is also one question coming. So if a sponsor identified, how to apply? So these are all some common points about funded project writing or applying one funded project. Okay. So actually we are still not entered our topic, but these are all some common points. Compulsory we have to answer from our side. Okay, how to find one organization who is providing fund? I think some doctorate candidate recently completed people only concentrated how to complete our PhD, how to write thesis answers. This up to this only knowledge. Once doctorate completed, after joined 1 or 2 years, the management or organization will raise the question. You send some funded proposal. It is useful for institute as well as you. That kind of question will come. So after that only we will realize funded project we have to apply. That is one. Otherwise, known contact. If you have doctorate while doing doctorate PhD course, you have some minimum 4 to 5 people in your friend circle. At that all people definitely will completed within 6 month period. Your friend will be completed, you will be completed definitely within 6 month, 1 year gap. Your friend circle, your registered people definitely will be finished. So you have some friends. Then after that also you will concentrate for some research activity publication. That people have come contact, hey, I got project. So I applied, my institute said this, you apply this one. So luckily I got or something we got. So that person will give some motivation to you. So like this known contact. And the college institute R&D. Your college, your institute definitely have one R&D cell. That R&D cell motive is to publish paper, to get a funded project, to do consultancy project. These are all the aim of that R&D cell. So that cell will give information. So we have deadline for some agency. You make one proposal from doctorate side, they will ask. So this is one way. Another, any faculty have 2 or 3 friends and their discussion. That is, I already mentioned. Some college colleague in our institute also, one doctorate candidate got project, means immediately another people will get motive or some kind of screw will give. So that we have to also get, that is motive. So these kind of way is a common, I am telling. So these are all common words, not official presentation words. So simply these are all we have experience. Okay, is funding only for faculty? If you are working as assistant professor, associate professor, only their agency will give to faculty, only they are providing? No, fund for faculty to investigate one problem, that is possible. Student innovative project also they are providing fund, and fund for entrepreneurship also they are providing fund. So not only funded project for faculty is not a common word, it is for student as well as entrepreneurship also possible. Okay, what are the funding agency? So I mentioned overview of presentation, how to write a research proposal, but after writing research proposal, we have to send one agency. That funding agency only will give the fund or money, or this is called a research grant in aid. So that is a word commonly they will use, research grant aid. Okay. So what are the agencies are available? So DST said mostly those who are involving in the research or funded project, always they will use this abbreviation only. CERB project, AICT project, DRDO project, UGC project, MNRE project. Like this only they will use. Because if a new person, what is SERB? Immediately one abbreviation means we cannot predict. So even if you are writing paper also, first abbreviation if you are given, you have to give the explanation. It means a full word you have to give. That is the norms of any journal article. So Science and Engineering Research Board, it is coming under the Department of Science and Technology, DST, AICTE, our affiliation, AICTE. Suppose I am working under the affiliation of AICTE, not deemed university, not autonomous UGC. So I am eligible for SERB and AICTE. If suppose our institute, Amit University, is under deemed to be university, means it is eligible for all the agency you can apply. But I am working, at present I am working under affiliation of the JNTUH, Hyderabad, as well as AICTE. Then I am eligible for few project only. So that is we have to find out. Then DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization, UGC is a common abbreviation, you know. MNRE, Ministry of New Renewable Energy. IEI India, Institution of Engineers India. Our PSG College Coimbatore having some startup. So that is for students. If you are your student or commonly students have any idea with a new innovation idea, if you are proposed to PSG step, they are ready to give the fund to the students become entrepreneur. Okay, so I will show you the website. Which website? 1 minute. Sir, is my screen visible? Some website, I went to a website. Science and Engineering Research Board.
Yes, sir.
Visible, sir. Visible, sir.
Okay, sir. So actually our topic, how to write research board. After writing, we have to send it to some agency. That agency only I'm going to explain now, few minutes. So this is about Science and Engineering Research Board. So here, this is eligible for all affiliated college, not only UGC autonomous, deemed university colleges, all colleges, kind of colleges are eligible. So another parameter is their eligibility. Any funded project you are going to apply, you have to check the eligibility, because doctorate candidate with the science engineering, they one eligibility is there, or some other eligibility also is there. I will show you here. Announcement, you click the announcement, we will get closed ongoing upcoming proposal. So our funded, how to write a research proposal, that research proposal you have to send after writing. That is only I am explaining. Closed, ongoing, upcoming. So now I am clicking ongoing. Some schemes are opened with some date are given. April 12, 2021 to June 10. So these are all first box, first 4 rows are is an ongoing project. You can apply. Now you can apply like this. So here funded project, one category. After that, some other category also available. Those who are completed doctorate, they can go for post-doctorate fellowship. That is also available in Science Engineering Research Board. Some other maths department or some other department like this, they have proposal. Here you can see Ramanujan Fellowship. In bottom, Ramanujan Fellowship, maths people, they are giving some fund. So international travel support. You can go for international presentation, and after that, if you are submitted, you will get some project. So here, one more project, you see some STAR project. Seminar symposium also, is it possible? You can send a proposal to conduct seminar. Whatever we are doing 2-day online seminar, the same proposal we can send it to sir. Sir, we are going to approach you with these are all so many persons. Some data if given, they will consider, they will go through, then they will give if selected fund. Like AICTE Atal workshop, so many people I think know the Atal workshop, always 5 days workshop conducting, that those who are organizer, coordinator, applied to the scheme, then got fund. Then only the AICTE Atal, is it possible? So here we are having this kind of project, and after that you have to click and you have to find the one by one. See here, I will show you this SERB Science and Technology Award under Research, SERB Star. If I click it, Here, what is the eligibility? I am clicking eligibility. Already you handled one project, completed one project. In that project, if you got some good points, excellent grade. You see first line, the nominee should have completed SERB project. Already one SERB project you must have completed. After those who are completed people, they are giving some one more project. That is called after your project over, they will conduct one review. In that, if you are got excellent grade, that particular PI, principal investigator, PI means principal investigator of such a project, and the co-PI not eligible, because that I am the project, I am having one project in SERB means I completed. After that, again I am applying from that extension or that related area. From that, I first submitted project, if I got excellent grade, then only eligible. So because some people will get average, good, like this. If you are completed with excellent grade, then only you are eligible for second another project. So that is eligibility. Like this, we have to check eligibility. Okay. So this is about you can see upcoming call proposal for next 6 months. So what we have to do, if your doctorate completed, some idea is there in the composite or something. So then what will happen? You have to prepare now itself. You have to ready with the document. Ready with the document. Then you will get some data. Immediately you have to upload. Once the call for comes, after that I am preparing, then end date I am applying. That kind of is there. That will reduce our selection criteria. Okay, so the first one you can see empowerment and equity opportunity for excellence in science. Here I will click the eligibility. You can see the Indian national. Here actually reserved candidate separately they are giving some fund because they can't compete with an all open category. So you can see the objective: scheduled caste and scheduled tribe people can only undertake this project. So because they want to enhance their skill also. So that is the reason we have separate project category for this reserved candidate also. So these are all available in the Science and Engineering Research Board. That is one one agency. Another agency, AICTE, it is a popular scheme. Faculty development scheme. Here student development scheme, faculty development scheme is there. So faculty development scheme, here you can see so many schemes are there. In that mostly the research promotion scheme, this is funded project scheme, research promotion scheme. So if you are clicked scheme document, user manual, click here to apply, this kind of data will be available. This is for while applying. Here this is we can apply through AICTE person. Any institute we have one AICTE person. From that we have username, password. That person you have to log in first. Then you have to upload one by one whatever the document is asking. Okay, so that is AICTE scheme. So AICTE, if you are go through one by one, it will suitable for you. Any one kind of so not only funded project, you can get some faculty development program, short-term training program. Some kind of other program also available in the AICTE website. Okay, next one, UGC. So I am working under affiliated college. So I am not having full awareness about UGC. I heard there is some minor project and major project proposal, some within amount. I think you are all working under deemed university. So UGC Grand Commission only you are coming under. So definitely you have more knowledge, because I am not eligible, because my institute, affiliated institute, I am not eligible. So I am not attempted it. I am not applied any funded project to this UGC. So that is the reason I am not having full awareness about UGC. But AICTE I applied, I got one project. SERB I applied one project. That is eligible because affiliated colleges are normally eligible. So you know, deemed university, deemed university, autonomous universities, colleges are very few in the state or in that particular region. So they are only eligible. This kind, at least NAC accreditation is required. So my college NBA is there. That is the reason now at present I am not applied this UGC. I am not having full awareness. So just I am telling this agency providing fund. Okay, next, DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. And one more parameter is there. If you are applying fund, simply either DRDO, this one is DRDO, defense related application. Your proposal must be defense related application. I am writing one skill, one project, some refrigeration, air conditioning, I am expert. I'm find out one, I'm applying DRDO. They will not select, because whatever proposal directly it has to application of this DRDO, defense application. For example, our army peoples are standing in the desert or hills with 0° temperature, 5° temperature in Kashmir. If you are created one dress, it has to optimum temperature must be provided. In summer, it has to provide normal temperature, 27°. If 45° desert I am standing, you are designing one dress using some R&DC concept. So if you are providing one dress, that dress has to give 27° to my body. That kind of project definitely will accept. So if I am standing 0° Celsius, if you are providing some 20° temperature to my body, that dress, it will be considered. So that is application. So that kind of application, whatever you are going to propose, that must be direct application of that agency. But in this Science and Engineering Research Board, SERB, Science and Engineering Research Board, whatever topic if you are given, if good means they will consider, because this is a not application. We want to enhance the science and engineering in our country. That is the aim of Science and Engineering Research Board. But DRDO and some other particular agency, only they will consider their application. ISRO also providing fund. If you are given some space related material application, then ISRO will consider for that project. If you are providing some other science related project, definitely it is not required for them. So only required their application. It has to enhance their application. I applied one DRDO project, but not selected. I went to interview for Bangalore. At the time, nearly over 15 to 20 people selected. After that is first round. After that, one more interview. Initially, I submitted application. From that, they scrutinized. Some 15 to 20 people selected. That 20 people they have conducted in the Bangalore separately. Again, we are presented our PPT. From the 20 people, they have selected 78 projects, because they have searched their applications. Full application is there or not. Then they have given suggestion also. I had experience, one person presented. At the time, some relevant, they have already problem. That person proposed some other problem, but it is relevant to their problem. Immediately they have raised a question. So we are ready to give this project, but problem is ours. You have to incorporate our problem also, because it is this solution will suitable for that particular our existing problem. Immediately they have agreed. This kind of conversation also happened during the presentation. So why I am trying to say, because whatever project proposal must be, it is relevant application, direct or indirect application of that particular agency, then it is more welcome. Then only it will select. Okay. So another one, MNRE, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy, MNRE. So here you can see the name renewable energy. So wind energy or some solar energy related projects. If we whatever proposal, that proposal definitely will be useful for this particular agency, then only it will be considered. You have to frequently visit this website. You have to see the press release. Sorry. You have to see the press release or current notice, what are the call for is going on. Like this, you have to check. See now what is our title, how to write a research proposal. Now I will explain, because we are not entered in the exact presentation. But after writing, it is required for some agency. That is the reason I am explaining what are the agencies there, how to write. These knowledge is required for writing effective project proposal. Next, IEA or IEA India. So Institution of Engineers India. I think some of the people heard this IEA. They are providing some membership and conducting frequently webinars, some meetings like this. But they are also providing fund. You see here so many parameters are there: home, membership, academic, IEA network, IEA activity. From the IEA activity, I am clicking R&D activities. You see, you can read here R&D initiative of IEA. Objective, like this you can grant in aid for R&D work to be carried out by the student. Initially I mentioned the fund for only faculty, and no, fund for student also they are providing. But you are the guide, you faculty, you have to mention I am the guide or supervisor of that particular student. It is a student idea, but sometime your idea also you can send in the name of student, that is also okay, but student has to apply. In this scheme I had one MTech student in 2018, and myself and that MTech student, we sent one a proposal. It is granted one project with 30,000 rupees only, because here fund is very less. BTech student 50,000 maximum, MTech student maximum 1 lakh, PhD student maximum 1.5 lakhs. So this is the fund maximum limit. But the Science Engineering Research Board, DRDO, not like this. They will provide 20 lakhs, 25 lakhs, 30 lakhs based on your proposal. Okay, next. So that is now I will go to PPT. So these are all some agency. I explained now DRDO. I think now my PPT is visible. SERB I explained, AICTE, UGC project, DRDO, MNRE, IEI, PSG STEP, Coimbatore, our PSG college also having some, I will show you the window. PSG Tech also they are providing fund. Okay, PSG Tech, they are providing fund for entrepreneurship. That is the reason I added in the slide. PSG Science and Technology, they are providing fund. Okay, that is, these are all agency. And one more thing, some Anna University website I visited recently for conducting some conference. They are conducting conference or some FDPs. That is the reason I visited. But they are given one list. So what is the list I visited? Call for proposal, research proposal. I opened. After that, if you are seeing here, Science and Engineering Research Board, SERB, Department of Science and Technology, so Department of Biotechnology. So they have some deadline also mentioned. This is actually before that second wave started, they have given this list, that particular deadline dates. So Science and Engineering Research Board startup grant. In that Science and Engineering Research Board itself, we have so many subdivisions. Now I mentioned the currently opening, but we have upcoming date startup research grant. It is suitable for fresher. Core research grant, it is suitable for experience. Like this we have TARE, means TARE, TARE project. It is a collaboration with some other institute. Matrix, like this Science and Engineering Research Board having so many options. And the Department of Science and Technology have division Science and Engineering Research Board, and separately also Department of Science and Technology providing some fund. So like this, Anna University given some list for their affiliated college, their university. See, NASA, they are provided some information to NASA data also, they are provided list. So why I want to convey this news means, because funded, you are completed recently doctorate, so you want to apply some call for proposal, funded proposal, but you have to know which agency are providing fund. That is, you have to know. After that, you have to identify one problem, then you have to give the some steps also, means whatever we are going to discuss, that step also. So that is the reason you have to go through this website. Okay, that is one. After, sorry. So before, I got actually two funded project, one student project. Before that, I'm having less contact, but how I approached means I opened all the institute, all the special means all the top institute. For example, one NIT I opened, You see here this screen. Funding agency call for proposal, how to find suitable agency. So I used this methodology, but this is not correct methodology, but it is a good method I found, because I had 3 projects because of this way. So I visited all the top universities. For example, V8 University I will visit, Shastra University, SRM University, like this, your university, like this. Top university means they had some good experience. After that only they have reached in university level. So that is good colleges only. So I frequently I will visit. I will check their research. Research on board is there. In that column I will select. Then what are the research they are received, that is I will check. So like this, affiliated institute, autonomous institute, deemed institute, NIT institute, IIT institute. I will show you that example also. See, V8 University homepage. In that I clicked research, sponsored research. So here you can see latest project. They have received latest project. They have all the titles, who is received, and if given read more also, you will get some detail. If you are given read more, you will get some detail of that particular project, who is received, what is the title they given, PA name, principal investigator name, their affiliation, School of Civil Engineering, Vellore Institute of Technology. Co-PA also is eligible. They are given 2 co-PA, funding agency DST, scheme, core research grant. They are received 34 lakhs, duration of the project 3 years. So this detail you can come to know. Now core research grant is the one scheme, DST, the agency providing. So I come to know this is one agency is there. Okay, what kind of project also they are expecting. So they are expecting, they are agreed civil related. Okay, like this, all science and engineering they are agreeing. So this is the way I checked initially to get the funded project. So like this, you can take one IIT. In that research, you click the research, you will get some research and development unit is there. Like this, all the university. Similarly, I clicked your university also, Amit University. I clicked. In that page, we are having research government project, all the year detail available. I clicked one randomly 2018-19 project. In that one project, RPS scheme. This is AICTE research promotion scheme. So the name of the beneficiary institution. So your institute name is there. Who is the investigator? Like this, I can, okay, AICTE providing RPS scheme. Like this, I can come to know some idea. This is one way you can find who is providing fund for research. Okay, so these things I want to explain. After that, now I am going to enter into our main aim of this presentation. Okay, overview of presentation, research proposal. Initially I given. So what is title? Now we will enter into the title. Suppose you are a doctorate candidate, completed, you are going to give Science and Engineering Research Board or DRDO or something. Title, that is, because if you take some example of cinema, every cinema title is important. Then title is playing a major role. If title also will speak, it will create some image to the public. So like this, title of your proposal also important. It should be brief, meaningful. Whatever you are inside given content, it should reflect. So it may be single line or multiple line, but it should reflect, it should understandable of your proposal. Okay, so this is about a title. So whatever the title you are going to propose, that must be meaningful. So if you want, you can refer already got sanctioned title. So what is the meaning? You can visit some college in whatever I given, NIT, VITs or your university or whatever institute have funded project. Any institute having 2-3 funded project. Any institute having 2-3 funded project, definitely you can go through it, how they are given title. See, because that is our guide. PhD, what we are doing, one person is guiding. You do this one, you do this testing, and they make it paper, and you add this one, you add some figure, some image like this. That is guide. So here, how to write, how to get a funded project. So we need one guidance. That guidance is you can go to some other institute, you open it, you can read the titles. you can understand, okay, this is the title they are given, 2-3 lines given, they added this, these are all the points. If artificial intelligence, IoT, Internet of Things, like this, they are adding number of points they are adding in the title. Okay, so that title should reflect your proposal. If you are read the title, whatever inside is there, it has to understand, okay, based on this title I am understanding these are all the topics going to give in the inside the content. Okay, next, introduction about your proposal. So you are going to give some R&D or some manufacturing, composite manufacturing. I am going to add natural fiber as my reinforcement. So you have to give introduction why natural reinforcement is required. So what is the problem with the existing reinforcement? So like this, you have to give some introduction. What is your research area? So what is your, suppose composite you are doing, drilling you are doing, some friction stir welding you are doing. So that is your research area. Friction stir welding is fixed. Refrigeration air conditioning is fixed. In that refrigeration air conditioning, what you are going to do? In the friction stir welding, what you are going to do? So motivation of research. So that has to motivate, that has to enhance your field. So you see, 2005 we had a normal mobile, only call going, incoming, outgoing, some SMS text. But what is the situation now? It is entirely bringing the world into the hand. So because how it has happened, every area they had research. So one by one, day to day, they are adding. So camera, only front camera, then back camera, then zoom, X, something they are doing the research. So like this, all the area, your refrigeration is there, you have to do so many things. So that is one. Then if you are doing composite material, or if you are doing welding, or if you are doing machining, you have to think, because it is not going to end research. Always the new thing going to add in the every activity. You can take our day to life, earlier days or your college, our college days, no this kind of sophistication. Only few things had a sophistication.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Problem, what your proposal problem, that description clearly you have to give. Next, importance of your proposal, you have to mention in this. So if you are reading introduction, you know already you had experience with writing a paper. In the paper introduction part, you take introduction part, what are the things are available. If friction stir welding, suppose your concept means welding is there, after that so many welding available, this is solid state welding, friction stir welding. In that friction stir welding, some tool, something you are giving some structure. From, if I read that introduction itself, I can understand, okay, you are taken some friction stir welding process, after that you taken some tool and workpiece, you are doing welding, you are finding something characterization. Okay, this is your project. Like this, if you are given introduction about this data, definitely all the thing must be covered. Okay, next, problem statement. So introduction, after introduction you have to give your problem. After understanding about one particular concept, so these are all the problems are available. So these must be solved, this must be resolved. So that is the problem statement you have to provide, that specific problem in the research area that you have to address. So that is about problem statement. Okay, objective. So once your introduction over, it's like a similar your paper only, whatever you are writing a research proposal, similar to you are writing a paper only, but a few things are we have to incorporate. It's like a research plan. How many days you are going to do, how many months is required, and what is the cost required, equipment required. These things we have to add, that proposal only we have to add. First half introduction, objective, research plans are more or less similar. Okay, next, objective of your proposal. 1 minute. sorry, objective of your proposal. So it must provide your list of goal. You have to identify your area. I am doing research on manufacturing. In manufacturing, I find one problem. If you are doing some composite, if you are doing in friction stir welding, you have to set one goal. Okay, friction stir welding is there. In that, the tool shoulder is the main problem, facing the problem. Okay, shoulder you have to fix. I am going to change the different type of shoulder or different type of pin, or I am going to do with a different type of tool material. That is, you have to fix. That is your goal. After that, whatever you are fixing some problem, then what is the deliverable? After I am using this tool, or you can imagine WhatsApp. If a WhatsApp concept I am introducing, I can send one photo within fraction of second to or minutes to somebody. That is my deliverable. So this facility not available in 2012. So you are delivering 2011. You are proposing, sir, I am taking one photo using cell phone camera. Then I am sending this one to one more guy using that particular app. I am going to write the coding. Then it is deliverable. That is only output generally. So if you are writing one proposal, DRDO, you can take DRDO. I said they are standing in desert in 45 degree in the summer. If you are providing one dress, that dress must be maintain the temperature 27 degree or 30 degree. Okay, that is deliverable. If you are providing in 4 degree, 5 degree in the winter season, if you are providing dress, it has to provide at least 20 degree warm temperature. That is deliverable. So that deliverable goal you have to fix. Then they will read, expert will read, okay, this output comes, it will be useful. And another thing, funding agencies are there. Why they are providing fund? We have to think of. If suppose one cinema producer, they are producing one cinema. What is the ultimate aim? Their aim is want to multiple their money, not service. So to people they are not servicing. But our case, our funding agency, government, Indian government, they are providing so many agencies. They are providing fund means it enhance our people life, Indian, especially our Indian country people life. It has to enhance. Some projects are having deadline, but in DST one project is there 365 days opening. That project you have to apply some physically challenged people or accident. In accident they are lost hand or some leg, some inability. That kind of people, if you are providing some things, it has to enhance their life. That kind of project proposal is there. It is entirely open 365 days. So what is the meaning? Our Indian people, because accident is happening, so unknowingly or unknowingly it is happening, people are having some they missed their hand, leg, so many issues are there, but they are our Indians. They have to, our country, our government, not only this particular government, the entire Indian government is thinking to enhance that kind of people also. So that is the reason we are inviting proposal, because we have 30 IIT, 30 NIT only. Means 30 means approximately, I am telling that every state have one NIT, one IIT. So that NIT, IIT only not possible to give all funded idea to the government. That is the reason they are applying to the all opening. So those who are working in the engineering colleges, polytechnic colleges, or some other student innovative idea also they are explaining, because every person having different ideas, different deliverable will be there. Every thinking, your thinking and my thinking is different. You may think differently, I will think differently. So your objective deliverable is different. That is the reason government thinking. So I am giving fund, you work it, you give the deliverable. You give it, has to enhance our Indian country people, our country people, enhance our life. So not only in the accident people or some other way. Why they are proposing that IoT, AI means future, like this only going to play a role. Now itself they are giving fund, you work off. After that you give some deliverable output. Definitely it will be useful. So like this only your objective has to fix. It will be achieved through your research plan. Whatever you are given goals, that must be achieved through this research plan. What are the benefit impact that will be generated if the research problem answer? Why do we allow this research to be done? That is the reason I'm asking. Your objective is good. That question will not be there. So why do we allow? If my son is asking money, why I'm asking money, but he is telling some reason, immediately without asking I'm giving money. Similar. So you are asking money to government agency. If your objective deliverable is good, money will be sanctioned, grant will be sanctioned. That is the question. Why do we allow this research to be done? This question you have to take in your mind, and you have to write your proposal. Whatever your output, it must be deliverable, must be useful to our country. Definitely it will impact your society. That is the output objective you have to fix. The proposal is already available or not. So whatever you are writing, so I am writing, now you can imagine WhatsApp, like WhatsApp, I am proposing one image taken, I am sending to mobile, I am sending to the proposal. So definitely will not be selected because already it is existing. You have to think still one more step ahead. So that is the proposal is already available or not. You have to check it in any form. In Google you have to check, or some other institute or some other application. Otherwise industry product is available or not, whatever you are proposing. Like this, try to give optimum objective. If you are given only one objective, if you given 10 objective, that is also problem. You have to give optimum objective. And always every year that Science Engineering Research Board have some progress meeting. Every time they will compare your objective, what is objective you are given during the submission, that objective you are met or not. That is the reason. So objective you have to give optimum effectively, it must be deliverably. So we have to get project, we can add something, that is not correct. You have to add correct thing. After receiving we will manage something, that is not correct. You have to give correct goals, deliverable. It will reflect your funded project getting grant. Okay, literature review. So I said you can take example of WhatsApp only 2012. If you are applying this literature review, at the time this kind of image sending through phone is available or not, or who is worked on that. That kind of literature review, what is existing. If not there, relevant one you can send image. How to send image through coding, like this you have to, whatever it is exact one, it will not be available, but relevant one. If a composite is there, I am going to join aluminum composite, going to join, because DRDO always making composite as well as joining some steel. So if I want to join that, you have to take some literature of aluminum join or aluminum dissimilar join as a reference. But aluminum composite joining, whether available or not, that is secondary. But aluminum and some other material joined as a literature you have to give. And what is known and what have been done by others, that is called literature. So whatever you are going to propose some idea already done or not, you have to put Google Scholar some key bullet points. Some paper will come, whatever. If friction stir welding means, it will come so many things. In friction stir welding, I am doing something pin solder, that is will segregate some papers. Instead of 10,000 paper, it will come 5,000 paper. 5,000 paper is irrelevant to pin. So in that 5,000, I am using some copper material. Copper will segregate it. Out of 5,000, 1,000 paper will come as a copper as to used as tool. In that that heat treatment I am going to do, then 1,000 it will come 100. Like this you have to segregate your research review, then you have to add. And one more thing, who are internationally done your proposal or nationally done your proposal, that is also you have to find out. Okay, so then research methodology. After finding research literature review, you have to frame that objective, you know, that methodology, how you are going to execute, how to solve that problem. I am find out image sending through phone, I am facing difficult in 2012. So you are giving WhatsApp as a solution. WhatsApp like app is a solution. So that is you have to give. You are taken one refrigeration means this I am facing problem in refrigeration. I am going to give this particular thing, then it will become good. That you have to give as a problem, as a solution. So in what way you are going to execute? You are going to tell some material I am going to add, it is going to enhance the life. That is how that you have to give that flow chart. If I am making this one, I need something like this. You can make some flow chart. It must be appropriate for whatever the objective was proposed. So whatever your objective framed, it has to match your research methodology. So some place a reviewer does not have any idea. So whatever you are proposing, because reviewer have expert in the funded project machining, but you are applying in the machining one particular special machining, something you are doing heat treatment and doing machining, but he know the idea in the machining. So that reviewer you have to give as a methodology with the understanding manner. Simply I am giving new idea means complicatedly you should not write. You have to give as a correct manner. So brief idea, design, location, activity, how you are going to do everything you have to give. One more thing, research plan. So time frame and activity schedule. Suppose we know the during the semester unit 1 has to complete within 11 hours, unit 2 has to complete within 14 hours. Like this we have some plan, whether we are going to execute or not as per the plan, but we have some ideas, university giving that syllabus hour. So like this your 3-year funded project, from the 3-year first 6 months what you are going to do, or next 6 months what you are going to do. Like this you have to give some activity schedule. So for example, I'm doing machining, friction stir welding. First I need raw material, I need a tool, then I want to make some process on that. This is I have to do initially. After the sanction I have to purchase raw material, tool, I want to pin, this inquiry I have to do, that is 6 months required. That is you have to keep 6 months. Once the purchase is over, you have to do the machining. So next 6 months I want to do the preliminary test. Next year I want to do the entire test. 3rd year I want to do analysis. Like this you have to plan your research. Next, budget. Suppose any institute have some limitation. Science Engineering Research Board 25 lakhs, some DRDO 15 to 20 lakhs, some MNRE 1 crore. It is possible, but based on your proposal, whatever your proposal you are going to do, that you have to make some budget. So in that consumable, how much I want to do consumable, some 1 lakh I want to consume, then I want to some material. Then to execute this we have one research associate also. So the research person they will give, for them also you have to provide money. You are doing executing this money in your college, you are sitting in the college, you are doing all the work in the college, you are using some system printout in the college. So overhead expenses is there. In Science and Engineering Research Board, 10% overhead expenses. For example, I got one project with the 22 lakhs. In that 2 lakhs is going for institute, because overhead expense. I am sitting that institute, they given building, I am using their building only. So that expense, some expenses is for that institute. Then 9 lakhs for research associate, research person, JRF, SRF. That money I have to add. Then consumable, testing, machine required, or whatever the facility required, I have to give some plan. That plan only I have to submit in the budget plan. So that is important. That will reflect your sanction also, because if you are given opt amount, then definitely will be selected. If so, no, my college is asking 50 lakhs given, they will give you ex gratia, some amount they will give. So that's why I'm going to quote all the things. Same, I'm going to that 3,000 per sample yearly, and 48 lakhs I'm going to quote. That kind of concept should not be there. So if whatever required, I want the same 1,000 rupees or 1,500, you have to quote. So total testing nearly 1.5 lakhs. Consumable 55,000 and 60,000 you can put, because some transport, DST charges, GST charges, something will be there. Some 5-10,000 you can put extra, but double the amount you should not give, because sometimes if selected, I will get 50 lakhs, my name will become reflect in our institute. That kind of concept should not be there. So whatever the exact amount you have to give. Then reference, whatever this proposal you are reviewed literature, national level, international level, appropriate references with recent publication you have to add. That is important thing. Recent, because you are doing some research 1980 research, if you are given as a research article, this work done in 1980, why you want to know? That is the question now. So last 5 years only you maximum try to find. In that 5 year only this research is going on. So definitely this research will be reflected in the after 20 years, 10 years. So that kind of concept you have to bring to the that reviewer. Okay, so now I will show some model. This is, so whatever this point we are discussed regarding that how to write a research proposal, title, introduction, problem statement, objective, literature review, research methodology, research plan, budget, everything. I will show you some model one. And this is DRDO application model. I will open the original one also. Okay. So this is model of DRDO application, first page. Model proposal, that form will be there, title of proposal, after that name of the principal investigator, designation, like this, whatever we discussed that will be there. This is IEA, Institution of Engineers India, that proposal will be there. So that application form, whatever we discussed, initially we have to give our details, our what is name, institute, address, our profile also we have to give. So this is I got one IEA funded project. You can see PG project proposal, Dr. B. Singarvel, with Guram Gautam Reddy is my MTech student, along with one co-guide, and Dr. K. Chandrasekhar sir is my colleague. So this is one project I received from IEA fund using a MTech student. So DRDO I applied, but it is rejected. It is a website, it is available, this form is available, everything is available. IEA also available. This is IEA funded. Recently I got one model of AICTE. So this detail also I just a screenshot given, B. Singarvel, the title, Vignan Institute of Technology and Science, like this. Okay, so now I will complete my presentation. Any queries?
Very well, sir.
Sir,
You have explained and elaborated as about the various funding agency information and also about the key points to be noted in writing a good research proposal. The points discussed will be very helpful for an aspirant who is seeking sanction for a funded project proposal. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable speech. I invite any queries. If you have any doubts, you please ask. Anyone having queries? Kishumar sir?
Yes, sir. So any queries from participants?
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay, sir. We conclude the meeting, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you, Miss Sir. Thank you to once again the Amit institution given this opportunity to me, and thanks for organizer, convener, especially Ramamurthy sir contacted and given this opportunity. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Sir, Kishumar sir, feedback link podliya? Link.
Okay, sir. Ramut sir.
Solunga sir.
I will leave, sir. I will leave from meeting.
Yeah. You leave. You leave.
Thanks.
Kishumar sir.
Yes, sir. Posted, sir.
Posted. இது தெரியல, விசிபிளா இல்லையே. அது வந்துச்சு. ஓகே சார், ஓகே சார்.
வந்துருச்சு சார்.
ஓகே.
So the feedback link posted, sir, in chat box.